In this video, we are going to compare each and every vibe coding software out there. And I make this video take care of non-technical person who don't even write a single line of code and they want to build a full-fledged software and even sell that and earn money using it. In this video, we are going to compare Lovable, Bolt, Firebase, Replit and each and every software out there including Emergent.ai. And in the last, we compared all of them right here. So this video is very excited. Let's start this video. Before that, just hit the subscribe button to get similar type of content every time. So let's begin. So we are going to compare and rank it by the three factors. The first one is the cost and the money you want to spend. The second thing is how much time you want to spend to create that software. And the third and the last one is user accessibility. How much easier this software to handle and everything about that. Even a beginner can use that tools effectively or not. So let's see it by using these three core factors. Our first tool is Lovable.new. This is one of the best and the most popular software out there for vibe coding. I use this tool for a ton of time. You can see how much projects I did in that. I have more if I click show more button. So that's the power of this tool. I use this tool so much time and it cost us $25 per month for a pro plan and it will give us 100 credits every single month in that section. Before deep dive into that, if you are a business owner and if you want to build any MVP, mini SaaS and any kind of software or AI agents for your business, you can book a free meeting with me where I guide you how you can do that and all of the things. So this is my email ID and in the description I give you my Google Calendar link so we can book a quick call. So I will meet you in that booking. Now let's focus on our video. The second one is Bolt.new. This is also one of the best software out there to create software using that. It also costs you $25 for 10 million tokens and it will give us 150k tokens every single day for free and it will consume it too much fast, so that's why don't compare it with the Lovable tokens. This is our second software. The third one and one of the best one is Firebase. Because Firebase is Google software, it was completely for free. You don't want to spend a single penny to create software using Firebase. So that's why this is one of the best tool out there. The fourth one is Replit. Replit also one of the most popular software, create any application or MVP or anything like that. Recently Replit announced its Agent 3 where you can give a simple prompt and it will create the complete application through this prompt. It will test it, deploy it, fix the error and everything by itself. So that's also a good decision of Replit. Also we have few more software like Bubble, Glide, Adalo, Softr and Google Gemini Canvas. Also we have the Emergent, the one of the most recently come out there and broke all the industry leaders. So we also compared this using that. Like here, if we click just here, clone Netflix, it will clone that. So how awesome that is. Now for comparing this, I write a full prompt. We want to create a CRM based application for a paid grooming business. So this is our prompt and we give this same prompt to each and every software to create an application using that. So I just paste it here and upload it. You can see our Lovable start working and it will thinking right there and create this application for us. I just click here allow and it will start to create that application for us. I paste the same prompt on the each and every software right here. Like here I paste the same prompt and start build now. Give me 2 seconds and I will paste the same prompt to each and every software out there. Right now I give the same prompt to each and every software. You can see I give the same prompt to each and every software right here. Now we just want to wait for a few minutes and it will create the software for us and then we will compare them and I give my suggestion what software you want to use to build software and what is the best one. Now every vibe coding software give us results and these results are ridiculous. You can see, let's start with the Lovable. And I'm little bit disappointed with the Lovable because it don't give us too much good results as it give me earlier, because I think it will have an issue with the usage limit. Because before I start the video, it will give me an notification that we transfer our server from AWS to another VPS provider. So that's why maybe it will don't give us the good results as I want, but it will still give us the result. I already used it. It will pop up us a login interface where we can paste our email ID and password, and then I will log in, and I can't do anything else from there. So that's not too much good, but Lovable is one of the best software out there. So let's go to our second software, which is Bolt, and I am really impressed with the Bolt.new. Here also you can paste your email address and password for the login. So I just paste my email ID and password right here and just click on the sign in button, and you can see this is invalid credential. Why? Because I don't create any account yet using this email ID. So that's why we just want to switch here and now sign in. You can see it will now work. So that's good. We want to firstly sign up, then we can sign in. Here it will give us this dashboard where the total clients, total pets, and the upcoming week clients appointments, all of the thing. On the next here in the client section, we can add clients right here, like their name, last name, email ID, phone number, address, city, and everything. Literally everything we can add here, and it's working. I already do it. Like you can see, I just write here a fake address and all of the thing and just add it. You can see it's working. It add all the information right here. So that's good. In the pet section, we can also add the pet information as it is. So this looks good. Also we can sign out and we get this interface. This is our Bolt.new results. From here, let's go to our third result, which is Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio still give us good results. I don't say it the great one, but it's good. In the dashboard section, we got the total client, upcoming meetings, total service render, this kind of things. In client section, as it is, we can add a new client information from here and save it like this. In the appointment section, we can book appointment with them. You can see this open my calendar and we can book an appointment using this. Firebase also gave us good results, and the Replit one is, I think, the worst because it takes 40 minutes to do that work. I know it takes a lot of time to create it, but the results are not satisfying as the time it consumes. You can see it will give us the total client, total same as it is like the Bolt.new and the Firebase Studio. Give the same as it is, but the UI interface is worse than them, and it takes the most of the time. Also, it asks me the money. The free usage is already gone. So that's why I don't like this. Next is Glide. This is also good, not great. The same as it is, the same functions and all of the thing. The Chrome is worse of them. It don't give us the right results. It help us to create website, not the software. So I just remove it from here. And the last one is our Google Canvas. It also works, but don't give us satisfying results. We can do the same thing, add our information like that, and it will fail. So that's not good. I don't think so. This is also one of the worst. And the last and not the least is Emergent.ai. This is also one of the best tool out there for vibe coding. You can see we can log in and register account using that. So we are new, so just we are going to register right here and create an account. So I just create an account. You can see the interface is very impressive. And now welcome back. It will say the dashboard is look good. The pop-up animation, the client section, the pet section, all is same, but these results are quite impressive. I like this one. We can also log out. This also show us average pets per client and active this month, all of the thing. And maybe this is one of the best because Emergent AI is recently come out there, and it will do the best work. You can also get free tokens by just share your link. If someone register using my link, I get the free tokens. That's the good thing. And you can see the results right here. This is Emergent AI. And I really like that results. The pricing of Emergent.ai is less than the other tools. It will cost you $20. It's still good. In $20, you get 100 credits and it will better than the Lovable. So that's all the test of all the tools for vibe coding. Now let's compare this and rank them. So for ranking them, I create this software called Vibe Rank, and now we are going to compare each and every tools. Let's start with Lovable. So Lovable don't give us too much better results right here, but this is good, I know. So that's why I want to drop it in the A tier. because I know this is one of the best tool out there and one of the most popular user-friendly tool. That's why I want to rank it on the A section. The second tool is Bolt.new, and this is quite impressive. I really like them. That's why I also compared this in the A section. These both tools are one of the best tools out there. You can use both of them. This is super user friendly. You can create any software using that. The third one is Firebase, and I want to drop it in S section. Why? Firebase don't give us that much good results. You can see it's good results but not great. But it was free. You can use it unlimited. You don't get any limitation. And Firebase is Google software. That's why the trust of this software is very high. That's why I want to rank it on the S tier. The Replit one, I don't like the Replit, so that's why I want to drop it in the C tier, because it takes almost 40 minutes. It will cost you much higher and don't give us too much great results. That's why we want to drop it on the last tier. Now the next section is Glide. Glide also give us good results, not great. You can see this is the Glide results. I don't really like them, but still good. That's why I want to drop it in the B section. The next one is Google Gemini, and I know Gemini Canvas is free, but this is just for the prototype and fast prototyping. You can use Google Gemini Firebase instead of this. So that's why I also want to drop it in the C tier. This is not good. I know this is free, but not satisfying. And now our last tool is Emergent.ai. I really like the interface. I really like the pricing. This is one of the low pricing vibe coding software, and the results are impressive. I really like the results. The pop-up animation, like you can see, this will popping up. So that's good. I like this. That's why I want to drop it in the S tier. This is one of the best tools. So that's our final results. The S tier take Firebase and Emergent.ai. In the A tier, you get Lovable and the Bolt. B tier, Glide. And the C tier is Replit and Gemini Canvas. Replit is good, but it takes lots of time. That's why I don't suggest you to use Replit. You can use instead of Firebase, Emergent, Lovable and Bolt. This 4 is one of the best vibe coding software out there. So that's the video for today. I hope I clear each and every confusion and all of the thing in this video related to vibe coding softwares. If you get value from this video, just hit the subscribe button, because our target is hitting 1000 subscribers before ending this year. So I hope you will do that, and in the exchange of that you will get more value related to vibe coding software and AI agents. So that's the video for today. If you want to see how I rebuild a $34 million fitness app step by step, just click on this video where I explain everything about that. Click here and watch it. I will meet you in this video.